The wife of a man shot by an Oxford County Sheriff's deputy yesterday in Brownfield is disputing law enforcement today. She claims her husband was in mental duress and needed specialized care. News Center Maine's Christian Harsa has the story.
I felt more terrorized and violated by law enforcement than the incident of the day with my husband. And that's a sad fact.
Heather Junkin's husband, Eric Junkins, was shot by an Oxford County Sheriff's deputy on Monday after he reportedly pointed a gun towards law enforcement. Heather says that's not the full story.
He was definitely having a mental health issue, and that I wanted my husband to go and get mental health help.
Before police arrived, Heather says she and Eric were having a disagreement, during which he pointed a BB gun towards her and fired.
Me, it hit the ground, not even close to me. Like I said, I wasn't scared. I didn't take it as a threat. I took it as leave me alone.
Afterwards, she says he threw a 9mm handgun in her direction, which she says also wasn't threatening. During that time, she was on the phone with her brothers, and one of them called the police. According to the Oxford County Sheriff's Office, they were called to the scene over a domestic dispute. When police arrived, Heather says she told an Oxford County Sheriff's deputy her husband had previously said he wanted to die of suicide by cop, and he needed a mental health specialist.
He said that is something that that they can't do.
Maine State Police says while troopers were on scene, the state was not asked for additional crisis resources. According to the sheriff's office, a deputy shot Eric in the hands when he raised a gun towards police. At that time, Heather was down the road away from the scene.
They did not communicate with him to put a firearm down. Was within earshot. They didn't do anything to try and communicate with him.
A judicial warrant shows a BB gun was involved in the shooting. Eric was taken to Mass General for treatment. Because of the domestic violence terrorizing charges against him, Heather says she has not been able to speak with her husband or learn his condition.
That's not right.
As is standard procedure, the deputy involved has been put on leave while the Attorney General's office investigates. In Brownfield, Christian Harsa, News Center Maine.
News Center Maine did reach out to the Oxford County Sheriff's Office, which did not respond, and the Attorney General's office, which said it did not have any more information to provide.